Welcome. In front of me is Soyo M4 Pro Mini PC, and in this video I will show you how to perform a factory reset operation in Windows on this device. Okay, I figured I might need to increase the display size a little so you can see everything clearly. Now, the first thing that you have to do in order to reset all your data on your PC is click Start, then go to Settings. Then in Settings you're gonna have to go to System section right here, then scroll down to Recovery option, then click Reset PC next to Reset this PC feature. And once you click Reset this PC, you have to click Remove Everything in order to proceed the factory reset process. The Keep My Files option basically only resets your settings and your apps on your computer. So once you click Remove Everything, if you are connected to the internet, you're gonna have an additional feature of that makes you able to download the Windows copy from the cloud, and therefore get yourself a clean new Windows copy if you need it. So if you want this to turn on this option, you're gonna have to connect to the internet by going to Control Center, then selecting an available Wi-Fi network and connecting to it, or just using an Ethernet cable instead. After that, you're gonna have a cloud download option, which you can choose, and therefore you will first download a clean new copy of Windows from the cloud and then download and install it on your PC. Now, if you don't have an internet connection, you're just gonna reinstall Windows using your system files. So if they are not corrupted, you are free to go with this option. And therefore, first of all, select Change Settings, and if you want to clean your data completely, switch this toggle to the right. This way you will clean the drive, which will take hours, but it will make it harder to recover files. If you switch this toggle to No, you will this operation you will just remove your files, which is quicker but less secure. So if you're doing this for yourself, of course go with the No option, and if you want to resell this PC, for example, then of course select Yes and then select Confirm. I'm gonna go with No simply because I only want a simple factory reset, and I don't want this video to be that long, to be honest. So once you made your choices, click Next, then wait for a minute or so. Then click Reset and wait until your PC is prepared. Wait until it's restarted, and then the factory reset process will begin. Now, just make sure that your PC is plugged into the power source during the entire operation. It's gonna take a little while, depending on the choices that you made. It may take up to several hours, but normally this operation will take around, I think, like half an hour. So after half an hour, just return back to your PC and check for the result. You're probably gonna see a setup screen. Okay, now let's wait. And once the factory reset operation is finished, as I said before, you're gonna see the setup screen. And if you want to know how to perform setup on your computer, either with or without a Microsoft account, you can check the video on our channel in which I will explain everything step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check one of these two videos out. Now for this one, that will be all. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.